I know can't do it for $1 million.
She's asking if she paid me $1,000, I could jump from here to this tree and then go down.
I think it's possible, but it seems kind of far actually.
It seems quite far. You would have to.
Yeah, I'm not very good at climbing up things instead of down things.
I think if the height wasn't here, it'd be.
But good morning. We are day 2 in Yosemite. It was a long night. People were tired. Where are you going, Jess? Yeah, everyone's too scared to be on the vlog.
I have nothing to say.
Boy Scouts can't. What do we learn?
Number 1 rule, Boy Scouts. Don't hike alone. Don't hike alone.
Anyways, I got this hat now. We're gonna hike. We're going on like a 8-mile hike.
Yeah, 8 or 9 miles.
Is it
9.
9? Shit.
Just pray no one gets lost.
Don't forget
That's what the water's for.
The refrigerator.
There's cuties out here
Bring
too.
one of these bad boys with you.
Oh, kill him! You wanna hold it? You wanna try?
Nah, dude.
But if you're a real
Exhausted looking at
YouTuber,
it.
you would have had even bigger camera on the hike.
A bigger backpack.
Bigger backpack.
I think I would have a bigger backpack. If I had,
you would have minions on the hike to carry.
you're right. I'd be paying like minions like Steven to carry my shit. All right, well we're gonna leave. We're gonna head out and then go on this hike and then come back.
Sounds like a plan.
Is there space on your...
Now this is what I'm talking about for a waterfall. Check this out. Wow. Crazy. And then you get something this great. You might not even be able to hear it for the sound. This is crazy. When we get to the top, I'll show you a little bit what it's about. Crazy. There's like no one here right now, and according to Kent, this is usually very crowded.
How much, like, percentage-wise, where are we along our, like, hike?
Quarter?
Quarter?
That's it. Like half.
We've only.
WATERFALLs?
It's a mile, but it's like all uphill. So they didn't factor that in.
Look at that.
You see the whole valley down there? I don't know if you can hear me because this waterfall is so loud. But it's crazy. I love it. It's, you know, and the fact this is the perfect time that there's no one here during COVID and like how they're limiting people, the number of people that can be here. This is the best time. Go to Yosemite, dude. You guys gotta go. It's crazy. We have this whole place to ourselves. All of it. Look at this. We're probably gonna eat a snack. We're gonna hike more. There's another waterfall that we're going to. It's like farther up. Not sure how long it's gonna take. It's like about maybe another mile that we're gonna hike to, but we'll probably eat a snack here and then just chill. We're gonna enjoy the view, and then when we reach the next one, I'll give you another update.
Can we drink this one?
feel like this is a little too still over here. I want it to be moving.
Over there. Go on those rocks. Oh my. Oh my god. I don't know how to get this closer. I don't know how to zoom.
Crank it.
Nice. How was it?
Tastes pretty good.
Good.
Water from the stream. And we made it. We are at the top of the second waterfall now. It was almost a struggle getting here. We had to wait a little bit, but that's okay. We made it eventually. It's like noon right now, so it's like perfectly midday. And I feel like I'm just in like a beach on Los Angeles right now. Look at this. There's like sand everywhere. It's really cool. It's so fantastic to have family here, to be able to enjoy the great outdoors right now. Again, there's like not a lot of people. It's like pretty empty. People, it's not crowding all the different popular locations. Wow, like everything is just so beautiful. Kent enjoying the pool. Are you hyped?
Beautiful.
Steven, what's the most beautiful thing you've seen?
I would say the Lakers winning Game 7 against the Celtics.
Wait, oh shit. I wish this rail wasn't here.
Dude, it's here some people fall in.
Oh wait, that's the edge of the waterfall, right? Oh shit, alright, let's take a look. Get a little closer. Daredevil style. Oh my goodness. That's like a 200-foot drop right there, over the edge. That's crazy. Like for all these, I just want to get so close, but I know I can't. I know I shouldn't. It's just like when I'm skateboarding, how like this happened and this happened. Wait till I take off the bandages. Maybe I'll show you in the next video, but it's just like skateboarding. I just can't. I can't think I'm invincible anymore. I gotta be careful about myself. Wow. We finally made it down that island. Wait, island? Mountain. Anyway, we're going to the local store right now. I'm gonna pick up some bandages for my hands and some beer.
Priorities.
Priorities, yeah. Hi, excuse me. Do you guys sell any like bandages like these at all? Like first aid stuff?
We have first aid stuff in aisle 6.
Aisle 6? Okay, thank you. Oh, they might be out of what I need. Alright, never mind then. I'll just forget about it. Mission not successful. I'm not gonna get these. I think my brother is right. We got so many bandages. I'm not gonna spend $6 on this. Alright, well, we're gonna spin out and then see you guys later when we're back at home, probably. I think everyone else is gonna do a little bit more shopping.
We have one onion for today, one onion.
Cheers.
Ooh.
Thaw the chicken in the microwave, and then something about not letting it thaw.
How's your day? How's the hike? It's pretty solid. WATERFALL is nice. So is Vernal Falls. I think Vernon Falls, the Mist Falls, is actually way better than Vernal. It was way better than Nevada. Yeah. Vernal was nice. Nevada was just bigger, I think. Yeah. And less people there. Yeah.
It was worth the hike out there.
I think it's worth to see it, but I definitely think Vernal is better. Anyway, we're gonna wait to cook dinner. I think we're making oyakudan. I think Kento is on it.
Got those.
Wait, are you vegetarian? You're vegetarian, right?
Vegetarian, yeah.
But she's okay with broth.
Like meat broth?
Yeah.
Thank God.
Like ramen.
Thank God.
She wasn't, right?
Yeah.
You want to solve?
You know, fish aren't really all that smart.
Kento?
Do they even have feelings?
Yes, they do. Fish are friends, not food.
Whoa. Jesse had many fish in her
As
life.
Jesse's dicey this chicken, completely annihilating it.
Fish are friends, not food. Wait, you're not willing to become pescatarian? I think pescatarianism is very okay. Fish are like whatever, dude. Their brains are so small.
Vegetarian, yeah, because of a fish.
What?
The most stupid thing I've ever heard of in my
That's a
life.
story for the vlog right there.
Whoa! Say it again. Show me the anger.
While holding a knife.
Come on, chefs. You're gonna do a good job. See these onions?
Yeah.
And you break them apart.
So we didn't see Half Dome. We saw that thing. We were, if you can even see the waterfalls right there, we were there this morning. Actually, sorry, not even morning. We were there for 8 hours. And now, if you go that way, we're at Glacier Point, just checking it out.
We're okay right here.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah, you're fine.
I don't know. Wait, Jesse, you want to tell them they're okay right
You want to tell them to move, Jesse?
You guys are fine. These two are not.
Alright, hurry, Steven. We gotta take our picture.
Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Anything you want to say?
It's called Burr.
Burr!
Burr.
Burr!
Okay, enough.
I know what you're talking about.
Alright, well, we're gonna take more photos, or I'm gonna watch them take more photos. And then we'll be back.
Sorry. Last thing.
End the vlog right here.
So don't let me distract you from your vlogging.
Come end the vlog with me, Kent.
Alright.
Overall, fun day.
Fun day? 3 out of 10?
No, I think today was like a good 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? I'll take it.
No, I think it was 8. It was a 8 to 9 out of 10. I think the waterfall was really nice. You gonna talk like Tip now?
What? No, I would never.
Please do. It's only just better content.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh God. Now you're worried.
Smash that like button. That's at least 100 subscribers right there.
You know what? That's all I can say. I'm done.